Hey guys, recently I started wondering, how often should I replace my cabin air filter? Wait, every 15,000 miles? Time to get a new filter. So after some research, I found PureFlow. Using their online search, you'll need to select your make, model, and engine type. For my Jeep, there are two options, so let's try them both. The black version adds HEPA protection. They also have air fresheners you can add to your filter, so I'll try out the fresh linen. After checking out, it was at my door. So let's get this opened up and check out what's inside. First are the two cabin air filters along with some helpful marketing information. Looking at the filters, I'll probably save the HEPA filter for after Easter Jeep Safari. Also inside the packaging are the two air fresheners that I picked up. Okay, so let's get the fresh linen installed on the cabin air filter. Open the air filter and remove it from the box. Inside, you'll get some standard instructions and the filter itself. Locate the side that the air flows through and just clip the air freshener into place. Alright, let's get this installed in the Jeep. First, open up your passenger door and then open your glove box. Find the support on the side of the glove box and disconnect it. Then press in the top tab to remove the glove box. With that out of the way, we can easily remove the cover for our air filter by compressing the two tabs. Pull the factory air filter out of its slot. You'll need to compress it a bit, but it comes right out. Ugh, and look how dirty this thing was. I was breathing that? Okay, throw that old filter to the side and let's move on. Grabbing our PureFlow filter, just slide it into the factory location. Again, you're gonna need to compress it a bit. Now we can put the cover back on, and finally reinstall the glove box. And that's it, routine maintenance for better, cleaner air. Get yours at the link below, and as always, thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.